Catch you out in traffic, it's you and I. Gold 41 in the suit and tie. Nigga, it's do or die. Seen it now. If I lose it all, like who will ride? But nigga, I'm so up. If I trip, it's like suicide. When the internet told me I'm crucified, that was in them streets like nigga, you super live. I was on the block when you was a sneakerhead. Nigga, it's a check up in that box, ain't no suicide. Nigga, ain't no Nike, ain't no Yeezy, no Jordan 5. No way. I came back like a Mike went 45. Ever see 50 grand when it's all in fives? No. We been shooting like the Warriors starting fire. Swish, only rapper went gold without a verse from Hov. Still got the rock with me cooking up at the stove. In the world of y'all platinum, know I busted a joke. Made back in the hood so them suckers can know. I'm in the six man, Dion Waiters. And I'm on my level now, also beyond haters. About to go and grab the bin truck, see y'all later. When I came through the block, you should've seen y'all faces. This is slaughter, new world order. I be going hard, Westbrook, fourth quarter. This is hip hop, you ain't write it, don't record it. I don't know how they getting down across the border. I give them the dirty flow, Michigan and water. Sent them 10,000 cases, I put in my order. Call that popping bottles when my people can't afford it. Mixing Douce with lemonade when I'm in Georgia. Views from the projects, a nigga on the prospect. Talking loud, say I'm shooting out with metal objects. And that chick standing right beside you, I didn't pop that. Made me be the fan up, I'm feeling like a Mark test. Woo! Gold mic from the billboards, about to plug it up. Tell Cruz, put it in the booth so I can fuck it up. Got the hood super lit, drumming like it's double dutch. From the bottom like an uppercut, now I'm all the way up. You all the way up.
I guess they gotta aim up at you, but don't you let these nobodies get their name up on you. Keep the circle tight, never let them lame up the crew. If she for everybody, don't you let her claim up on you. Now listen, you gave up on me, I came up on you. Took my talent somewhere else.